In some news today, we have 10,212 new cases. That includes 3,615 rats. Tragically though, it's my sad duty to report that 13 people have lost their lives, and once again we express our condolences to the families, and the Chief Health Officer will have more details about the age brackets, but they're all over their 70s. And he'll also have information about the numbers in hospital and the numbers in ICU. We've had 19,926 tests in the last 24 hours. 91.81% of eligible Queenslanders have had at least one dose, and 89.16% are now double vaccinated, but we expect those figures to come up a bit this afternoon. In good news, our 5 to 11-year-olds, 25.72% are now vaccinated. That's 123,119. We've got about 50,000 booked in. And now, if I can just stress to the families, we have 2 weeks now for your child to get vaccinated before school returns. And if you haven't got your child vaccinated, please come down here to the Brisbane Convention Centre. There's availability right now as we speak. And of course today is booster day, so the 3-month eligibility is starting from today. So please, if you are eligible, walk-ins are accepted for boosters. So that's good news. So the Chief Health Officer will talk about some of our figures, but of course we said to Queenslanders that we expect that these next 2 weeks are very critical in terms of reaching that peak of the Omicron wave. Of course, the Gold Coast has seen higher figures than Brisbane and the regions, but we expect that there'll be that Brisbane will essentially be reaching its peak over the next couple of weeks, and of course some parts of regional Queensland as well. But all of that information is being processed every day. And once again, my message is to the vulnerable members in our community, those elderly senior residents, about minimising your movements. And as I said, perfectly okay to go and do your shopping, perfectly okay to go and visit your family, but please avoid mixing in crowds just over the next couple of weeks till we get through this peak and we can get through all of this together. So of course, it's the 3 months since you've had your second dose. You can go and get your booster. It's important that you have that booster as an added level of protection. It doesn't take much time at all. You'll also hear from the Deputy Commissioner today about where you can get your vaccines on Australia Day. So please make it a family event, and please get vaccinated as quickly as possible. I'll hand over to the Chief Health Officer.